Hello guys, welcome back. Happy to see you again in this video. In this video, I would like to explain the grease pencil in the Blender software. So right now I'm in the simple Blender scene. So I'd like to delete that cube here. And then I go to the add and then go to the grease pencil and choose the blank option here. So that brings up the grease in the outliner, grease pencil in the outliner. You can go to the draw mode where you can able to draw the grease pencil here. So I'd like to choose the orthographic view. Okay. So you can pick any of the orthographic views. Once you got this orthographic view here, as you have the draw tool selected, and if you click here, you have multiple brush types or stroke types, like you got airbrush, ink pen, round, and then you got, it's not round, I guess, a rough, it's a marker, it's again a marker, then you got a F pen, pencil soft. So I would like to choose this marker and then just click and drag over the viewport. Okay, so I would like to just click here and then we have option called black. Okay, so we have the stroke color which is black. We can choose any color to get the colored strokes there. So I'll pick the black color there for this example, and then I would like to go to the strength option and then just click and drag to get a neat stroke there. Okay, you also can control the radius of the stroke where I can click and drag and increase that stroke value. Okay, so we have the strokes created. I could like to I would like to draw some shapes like this. Okay, something like that. So you got multiple strokes. Okay, you can take time and then trace it nicely. We try to explore more options about this tool to get this strokes much better way. However, we got some color options, the strength, the radius, and the stroke type, which we can initially explore. So once that is done here, I would like to select the modifiers section and then go to the add modifier called Build Modifier. Now when I hit play, you should be able to see the stroke is revealed one after the other, and the reason is we have the mode called sequential. Sequential is revealing the stroke one after the other. If I say concurrent and if I play, all strokes will be revealed at the same time. Then we have additive. Then you should be able to see it takes some offset time and then it does the revealing there. So you got three types here. You also have a grow shrink, which makes the stroke to grow from starting point. It's reaching out to the end point there. Then we have a shrink where you should be able to see it's shrinking from end to the start like that. And then we have a vanish where it starts fading off from the starting point to the end point like that. You also have a number of frames, which is like 100 frames to close that frames, to completely vanish. So if I click now, it's within 25 frames, they're all gone. You also have the delay of 10 frames. So after 10 frames, it starts, vanishing or revealing as per the time what you have given. Okay, so you have align start and align end. Now what is align start is when you have started this, let's say when I'm just playing it, all started at the same frame at the starting of my animation or times of my timeline. So if I just go to the align end and if I just play it, the strokes will start so that all will end up at the same time there. So if you could see the last frame, all frames are at the same time vanished, all strokes vanished at the same time. But the starting is so that it will end up at the same time there. So some frames are, the shorter strokes are, the longer strokes are starting a bit earlier and the shorter one starting a little bit later. So these strokes can be later rendered and used as masks to achieve some wonderful effects. So this is some starting point of the grease pencil where you could explore further more in other videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and requesting you to subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you.